In this video, we will be making turtle race game in Python using turtle library, like this one. So first, we will import turtle library and from turtle import everything. So when you write import turtle and for using the turtle library functions, you have to mention turtle dot, for example, background color and turtle dot speed. And when you write from turtle import everything, you do not have to mention turtle dot. You simply write the function name, for example, background color, speed, and so on. Then from random import randint. Randint means random integer. Then we will create a variable name window in which we will be using turtle dot screen functions like window dot title turtle race game. Then we will choose the background color of the screen, which is green. Then turtle dot speed, which is 0, means the maximum speed. Next, turtle dot pan up. Then we will set the position, turtle dot set position minus 140 comma 200. So when the turtle will go to that position, we do not want that it will create a line with it, so that's why we have write pan up. Then turtle dot right turtle race. Then we will specify the font equal to Arial and the size of the font is 30. Then for making the rectangle, which is of brown color, we will write turtle dot set position minus 400 comma minus 180. Then turtle dot color, which is brown. Then turtle dot begin fill. Then turtle dot pen down. Then for making the rectangle, we will create a for loop for I in range 2. Turtle will cover distance equal to 800. Change its angle 90 degree in clockwise direction. Then again cover distance equal to 300. Then again change its angle. Turtle dot right. Now see here. So this is the starting position. Then turtle will cover distance equal to 800. Change its angle to 90 degree. Then cover distance equal to 300. Now when the for loop will execute for second time, turtle will again cover distance equal to 800. Change its angle to 90 degree. Then again cover distance equal to 300. So this rectangle will be created. In the end, we will write turtle dot end fill. Now for creating the stamps, we will write stamp size, which is 20. You can count as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. And the square size is 15. And the finish line is at distance 200. Then we will create the stamps turtle dot color, which is black, and turtle dot shape, which is square. Then we will add turtle dot pan up. Then we will create a for loop for I in range 10. Turtle dot set position, x position will be the finish line, and the y position will be 150 minus I into square size into 2. Then turtle dot stamp. We will create another for loop for j in range 10. Turtle dot set position, x position will be finish line plus square size, and the y position will be 150 minus square size and minus j into square size into 2. Then turtle dot stamp. Then we will create the turtles, which are the players of the game. Turtle1 equal to turtle. So turtle1 will be using the turtle library functions like turtle1 dot speed, which is 0, turtle1 dot color red, turtle1 dot shape, which is turtle, and turtle1 dot pan up. Then we will specify the position. Turtle1 dot go to minus 250, 100. Then turtle1 dot pen down. So why I have tried pen up and then pen down? Because when the turtle will go to that position, we do not want that it will create a LAN with it. So first we have tried pen up, and when the turtle will go to that position, then we have tried pen down. So now I will simply copy this code and paste it 3 times. Now for turtle2, simply press the alt key and erase the 1 and write 2. So by pressing the alt key, you can erase the text at different lines at the same time. Color will be blue and the position will be minus 250, 50. Now for turtle3, press the alt key, erase 1 and write 3. Color will be pink and the position will be minus 250, 0. For turtle4, erase 1 and write 4. Color will be yellow and the position will be minus 250, minus 50. That's it. Then we will create some variables and initialize it with 0. T1 equal to 0, T2 equal to 0, T3 equal to 0, and T4 equal to 0. Then we will create a for loop for I in range 180. In this for loop, we will add some variables k equal to rand int 1, 5. So a random integer between 1 till 5 will be stored in k variable. I will copy this line and paste it 3 times. I will change the variable L and M and N. Then turtle1 dot forward means the distance that turtle1 will cover equal to the value of k. Turtle2 will cover distance equal to the value of L. Turtle3 will cover distance equal to the value of M, and turtle4 will cover distance equal to the value of N. Then we will store the values of k, L, M and N in the variables T1, T2, T3 and T4 respectively. T1 plus equal to k, T2 plus equal to L, T3 plus equal to M, and T4 plus equal to N. Then we will define some conditions. If T1 is greater than equal to 480, then turtle1 dot go to 0, minus 120 and turtle dot go to 0, minus 150. Then turtle will write winner is turtle1. Font will be Arial and the font size will be 18. Then we will write break statement, because if turtle1 wins, then the game will be over. Then I will copy this code and paste it 3 times. Elif condition would be turtle2 wins. Then turtle2 dot go to 0, minus 120 and turtle dot write winner is turtle2. For turtle3, elif condition would be T3 wins. Then turtle3 dot go to 0, minus 120 and turtle dot write winner is turtle3. For turtle4 dot go to 0, minus 120 and turtle will write winner is turtle4. In the end, we will write turtle dot hide turtle to hide the turtle and turtle dot done to pause the screen when the application will run. Now simply I will execute this code. I hope you like this video. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.